solid UGC creator charges around $400 to $500 for one video. I just made 20. No filming, no agency, no creator in my DMs asking for more money to reshoot the part they got wrong. And here's the part that gets me. I bet you can't tell which one of these a real person filmed and which one a computer put together about 90 seconds ago. That clip you just watched is someone talking about Ollie multivitamin gummies. Like she takes them every morning. Nobody filmed it, no studio, no ring light, no shipping a product across the country and waiting 3 weeks for a video that misses the point. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric, and here on this channel, we figure out how to build ads that actually convert to sales. Now, about halfway in, I'm gonna show you the one avatar setting that makes these almost impossible to tell apart from a real creator. Most people never even touch it. It's a difference between, yeah, that's obviously AI, and wait, that's not a real person. Let's get into it. The problem. UGC works because it doesn't feel like an ad. A normal person talking straight to camera, sharing a tip, people stop and watch that. A polished commercial with clean lighting, they scroll right past. The catch is volume. A creator costs $400 to $500 minimum, and you need a stack of different hooks to find the one that converts. That math falls apart fast. So most brands make 2 videos and stop testing, but we're not gonna do that. The tool. Creatify's agent. The piece I wanna show you is the Creatify agent in auto mode. Think of it like a creative teammate that actually does the work. You hand it a product and it takes it from there. It reads the product, checks what's already winning in that category on TikTok and Instagram, writes the strategy, picks the hooks, casts the on-camera person, writes the script, and builds the video. And then it hands you the finished ads. Now, one thing that I really like is that it locks in the real product details first. The actual brand name, the real claims, the right look. So that way it isn't making things up about your product. That matters a lot when you're running real ads. The credit tip nobody tells you. So auto mode is super powerful, which means it can move through credits fast if you're not careful. A vague prompt with no quantity on it can eat a big chunk of credits in a single chat. So before we generate anything, I tell it one line. Tell me how many credits this will use before you generate. It shows the cost up front, I approve it, and I stay in control. Step 1, drop in the product. So for today's video, I'll be using Ollie multivitamin gummies. So inside of Creatify, we'll click on agent mode. We'll go ahead and close these side panels here. First things first, we'll just paste that in. Again, our little prompt here, and at the end, make sure you tell me how many credits this will use before you generate. Now we got to add the product. Super simple. We just click on product right here, and all we need to do is paste the link right here. So this is the product we'll be using today, this women's multivitamin from Ollie. Go ahead and copy that link. We'll paste it right here. Click this little arrow, and what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and scrape a bunch of this data. So it pulled the product description, the product name, gave it a category. We can then go in and add any unique selling points if we'd like. And it also pulled all of the assets that it'll use for this. So we'll go ahead and click on create product. It'll take here just a second and we'll be able to select it and click on use this product. And we'll go ahead and send this off. Okay, so those ads have now finished up and I went ahead and downloaded them. So there's 3 different creators or 3 total different scenes with 3 different mini scenes in each of those. I just downloaded them separately. So it will go ahead and just be a little faster. So let's go ahead and look at those now.
I was so bad at taking vitamins. I'd buy them and forget about them every single time. Then I tried Ollie Women's Multi, and these are actually good. Blissful Berry, they taste like candy. Vitamins A, C, D, B's, biotin, everything I need in one little gummy. 2 a day with my morning coffee, and it's part of my routine now. Highly recommend.
I'm going to be real. I've tried a lot of women's vitamins, and most of them taste and smell awful. Ollie Women's Multi actually changed that for me. Blissful berry flavor, it tastes good, smells good, and the formula, vitamins A, C, D, E, BS, biotin, folic acid, it covers everything. Yeah, if you've been looking for a multi-slight chin drop, you'll actually want to take every day, brief brow flash, small mun, this is the one.
Something I added to my morning routine that genuinely changed how I feel every day.
Ollie Women's Multi, vitamins A, C, D, B's, biotin, folic acid, everything a busy woman needs. And the blissful berry flavor, actually delicious, not a chore at all.
I've been taking it every single morning, and I just feel more taken care of. Give it a try.
All right, and there we go. Those look pretty good. And again, we can iterate from here and use this as sort of a starting point. Notice how I told it exactly how many I want, 3, and I named the vibe. The more specific you are, the less it wastes. It'll come back with the cost, I'll approve it, and it'll go to work. Pulling the product images, reading the benefits, picking hooks, casting people, writing scripts. Step 2, 3 ads ready to go. Now, a few minutes later, 3 finished UGC ads. Different people, different hooks, different vibes. One opens with a problem, one with a bold claim, one sounds like a girl just telling her friend about something she found. 3 creator style videos, no creators, for a few dollars in credits. Hired out, that's $1,500 and a month of waiting. These are good, not perfect yet. And this is where most people stop. Post the first output and wonder why it feels a bit off. We're not doing that. The avatar setting, that changes everything. So the standard avatar works. The lip sync is fine, but it can feel a little flat and too smooth. That smoothness is what your brain picks up on. So here's the fix. Switch the avatar to the Aurora model if you haven't already. Aurora is Creatify's newer engine, and the difference is the small stuff. Real eye movement, natural head tilts, hands that actually move, little facial expressions. Real people aren't perfectly still. They fidget, they react, they turn on emotional tags. So inside the script, you can drop in cues like a laugh or an excited beat, and the avatar performs them. So she chuckles before the line instead of reading like a robot. That tiny imperfection is what makes your brain stop questioning it. One more, turn on product holding. So the person is actually holding the Ollie bottle of multivitamins, turning it, showing the label. Now it's not just a talking head next to a product. It's a person with the product, the way a real creator would film it. That's the setting. Don't skip it. Step 3, turn 3 ads into 20. Now, I didn't make 20 from scratch. I took the angles that worked and spun them into different formats using Creatify's tuned templates. Same product, different style. And the agent makes it super fast. What to do with 20 ads? Now, quick reality check. You don't post all 20. You test them. Put a small budget behind a batch, see which hooks hold attention, kill the ones that flop, then make some variations of the winners. And the best part, you reiterate the winner right inside the canvas, so you're not starting from scratch. So UGC still sells better than almost anything. What changed is you no longer need a studio, a camera, or $400 creators. You drop a product into the agent, ask for the credit cost before it runs, get a handful of strong ads, flip on the Aurora avatar with emotional tags and product holding so they look real. The link to Creatify is down in the description below. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring that notification bell. We'll see you here in the next video.